Hello guys, welcome to Account Easy Bookkeeping series. So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up when you receive your file. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Gmail account and open the received message. This is what it's going to look like, and I will need you to click on it, and this is what's going to appear, just this single page. Now we need this link. We need to click on this link, as the instruction says to kindly click on the link below to take you to the Google Sheet file and proceed to make a copy and save in your Google Drive. So this is what we are going to do first. This is the Google Drive symbol. So we are going to click on it and it's going to save in our Google Drive. Now after we've done this, instead of clicking on this link, let's go to our Google Drive. Now you need to have this Google Drive downloaded on your phone. It's a Google product, so you can do it. So when you click on the file, and it takes us to our Google Sheet. So this is what it looks like. Now the next thing that you ought to note is we're going to settings. Now when we go to settings, we are going to click on this little button called available offline. Now what this does is that it allows you to edit and enter transactions, to basically use your Google Sheet bookkeeping when you don't have an internet connection. And when you eventually have an internet connection, what it does is that it updates the information that you entered. So note, in as much as it's very convenient to use it on offline mode, it's also very important that you eventually come online, have an internet connection, so that the transactions that you've entered in your bookkeeping sheet would automatically be backed up. This does not take a lot of times. Let's say tops 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Once you come online and you are in your Google Sheet data book is open, then it just updates. So that is it about the phone method on how to store your file. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.